Welcome back to the garden. Let us take a slow breath in and out. Can you feel it? April is here, and in Zone 10, this month is everything. This is not just another page on the calendar. April is the moment where your garden decides if it is going to struggle or shine. The soil is warming up, the sun is stronger, and every choice you make now sets the tone for the entire summer. I have watched gardens go from lifeless dirt to overflowing beds of color and food just from planting the right things in April. If you want the biggest, healthiest, most rewarding harvest this summer, this is when you start. So today, let us walk through the vegetables, herbs, and flowers you need to plant now. We are doing this together, and you will not want to miss a step. Let us start simple. What does Zone 10 really mean? Zone 10 is one of the warmest growing zones in the United States. It covers places like southern Florida, parts of southern California, and Hawaii. These areas get very little frost, if any, and by April, they are already warm enough to support summer crops. Days are getting longer, nights are staying warm, and most of all, your soil is ready. Here's why this matters. In April, you are no longer planting for spring. You are planting for summer. And that means everything you put in the ground now has to be able to grow through heat, sun, and long days. This is your golden window. You are ahead of most of the country, and that is your advantage. But only if you use it. Do not wait for May. April is when your summer garden begins. Think ahead. Plant smart. Let us dive into what should go in the ground first. Top vegetables to plant now. Tomatoes. Tomatoes in Zone 10 are a perfect match, especially in April. If you want to plant tomatoes that give you months of fruit, choose cherry tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, or even old-fashioned heirlooms. They all do great in the warmth of Zone 10. This is your sweet spot. If you wait until May, the heat might slow them down. But plant them now and they will grow strong roots before the real heat hits. Give them full sun at least 6 hours a day. Keep the soil moist but not soaking wet. And do not forget to support them early. A simple cage or stake works wonders. Peppers. Both bell peppers and hot peppers love the kind of heat Zone 10 brings in April. They start small but grow strong when planted early. The trick? Keep their soil evenly moist, not too dry, not soggy. Mulch around the base helps hold moisture and keeps roots happy. If you plant peppers now, you will be harvesting well into late summer. Cucumbers. Want a fast win? Go for cucumbers. They grow quickly, give plenty of food, and do not take up too much space, especially if you grow them upward. A simple trellis or vertical support turns one corner of your garden into a vine of fresh, crunchy rewards. And for beginners, cucumbers are one of the easiest plants to grow. They forgive small mistakes and give back a lot. Plant these 3 now and you're off to a strong start. I still remember the first time I planted all 3 of these in April. I had no idea what I was doing. The soil was dry. I watered with an old cup. I thought I had messed it all up. But by July, my little patch looked like a dream. Tomatoes hanging like ornaments. Cucumbers curling around their trellis. Peppers in every color. So if you are still unsure, trust the process. Zone 10 rewards steady care and good timing. And now, let us add a little flavor to your summer meals. Herbs to plant for easy flavor all summer. Basil. Basil is made for heat. This herb loves the sun and grows fast. Once it gets going, you will have more than enough for pesto, salads, and sauces. And bonus, it helps keep some pests away from your tomatoes. Keep pinching the top leaves to help it grow fuller. It smells good, grows fast, and brings life to every garden. Oregon and thyme. Both of these herbs do well in warm soil and are great for containers or directly in the ground. They are low maintenance and last for years in Zone 10, since they do not die off in winter. That means if you plant them once, they will keep coming back. Mint. This one is a favorite, but here is the catch. Plant it in a container. Mint spreads fast. Really fast. But in a pot, it is perfect. Just snip a few leaves and drop them in iced tea, salads, or even desserts. Herbs are an easy win, especially for new gardeners. Bonus flowers that help your harvest? Want to protect your garden without using sprays or harsh methods? Flowers can help. Marigolds. These are more than pretty, they are helpers. Marigolds naturally help keep pests like whiteflies and nematodes away, especially when planted near tomatoes. Plus, they are easy to grow and bloom fast. Zinnias bring in bees, butterflies, and all the good insects that help pollinate your vegetables. More pollinators means more food. And let us be honest, flowers add joy. When your garden looks good, it feels even better to be out there. Your garden is not just a space to grow food. It is a space to feel peace. And flowers give you both. If last year's garden did not turn out the way you hoped, do not give up. April gives you a clean start. You do not need to plant a giant garden. Even a few smart choices can change everything. Gardening is not just about food, it is about healing, about doing something steady and gentle with your own hands. You have got the sun. You have got the soil. And now, you have got the timing. Before you grab your gloves and seeds, here are a few things to keep in mind this April. Watering. Water early in the morning. This gives plants what they need without wasting water. It also helps prevent mildew and other problems. Mulching. Mulch is your best friend. Add a layer around your plants to hold moisture, keep weeds down, and cool the roots. Feeding. Do a light feeding around mid-April. Use something gentle, like compost tea or a slow-release organic fertilizer. This gives young plants the boost they need without overfeeding. Pest watch. Keep an eye out for bugs. Neem oil or a simple soap spray can work wonders without hurting good insects. Write it down. Start a simple garden notebook. Even a few lines each week can help you remember what worked and what did not when next April rolls around. You made it. We covered what to plant, how to care for it, and why April matters so much. Now it is your turn. Step outside. Feel the soil. Take a deep breath and start with one seed, one herb, one flower. This is not about being perfect. It is about progress, about learning and growing right along with your plants. The best gardens start with a little courage and a lot of love. So go ahead, plant something today. Your summer harvest begins now in the heart of April.